salon. Even if owning a salon is not your ambition, understanding how a salon operates will help you and your employer to better meet mutual goals. A good self-appraisal is the first step to becoming a successful salon owner. Know how you stand on the key abilities needed. Pinpoint your strengths and weaknesses. Since very few of us have the money it takes to open a salon, you must be able to get a loan. The first requirement of salon ownership is proving you are a good risk financially. This is determined by your personal financial statement, which contains 3 basic elements. The first is a list of all property you own, your assets. Next is a list of all the money you owe, your liabilities. The third and final figure, your net worth, is calculated by subtracting your liabilities from your assets. As an example, if you had $200,000 of assets and $80,000 of liabilities, the $80,000 of liabilities would be subtracted from your assets of $200,000, leaving a net worth of $120,000. Most banks will loan only 10% of your net worth. In this case, that would be $12,000. You can own your salon in 4 different ways: as a sole proprietor, a partnership, a corporation, or as a franchise. A sole proprietorship is a business owned by one person who receives all the profits and is responsible for all debts and losses. A partnership is a business owned by 2 or more persons. All share in operating costs and profits. A partnership can build on the strengths of each individual. A corporation is a legal entity, separate from its shareholders, formed under state law. Shareholders actually own the company and elect a board of directors who appoint officers, such as president, vice president, and treasurer, to run day-to-day operations. A salon could also be a franchise. In its simplest terms, a franchise is simply a fee paid to a parent corporation for fixtures, promotion, advertising, education, and management techniques. In turn, the owner of the franchise could be a sole proprietor, partnership, or corporation. To open a new salon requires planning in 3 key areas: location, market need, and cost of improvements. No matter how talented you and your associates are, a poor location can put a big burden on the success of any business, especially a new one. Parking, high traffic activity, and competitive rental fees are all important factors in the success or failure of a new salon business. A favorable location must be supported by favorable market data. How many salons are there in the area? What's the client mix, age, income, and social groups? What are the future projections for the area? Given the location, what are the costs of improvements, plumbing, lighting, and air conditioning? Notice this estimate does not include salon equipment. But first, at this time, it might be wise to seek the advice of some experts. An accountant to get your finances and bookkeeping system set up. An insurance agent to determine how much insurance you need to safely open and operate your business. A lawyer to review ownership and lease documents, and a distributor sales consultant. With this information in hand, you are now ready. Next, you'll want to determine your salon's space requirements and floor plan. In general, it takes from 120 to 150 square feet per stylist for an efficient workplace. In addition, every salon needs a reception area, a dispensary, restroom, and shampoo and drying areas. Once you've found a location, worked out a suitable floor plan, and estimated the cost of fixtures and capital improvements, you are ready to add it all up to determine how much money to borrow. Once your loan is approved, you can enter into a lease or rental agreement. You'll need a 5-year lease. Normally, a lease should extend for at least 5 years with the option for 5 more years to avoid unexpected rent increases, since it would be difficult to recover the investment of salon equipment in any less than 5 years. Rent will be your biggest salon expense. There are 2 kinds of rent: fixed and variable. Remember, don't sign any lease until you, your lawyer, and your accountant are satisfied that it is fair and reasonable. Your salon business must be protected by insurance. You'll need the following types of insurance to eliminate some of the risks of being in business. Malpractice insurance. This insurance protects the salon owner from a financial loss that can result from a stylist employee's negligence while performing cosmetology services on salon clients. Property or premise insurance. This policy covers the actual salon equipment and physical location in case of natural disasters, fire, theft, or burglary, or accidents occurring at the business. Product liability insurance. This insurance protects you from financial damage caused by misuse of a home care product sold by your salon. And finally, you'll need workers' compensation insurance. This insurance is required by law and is paid directly to the state on a quarterly basis to cover any expense resulting from an injury to an employee. No business operates without taxes. As a salon owner, you'll be obligated to withhold taxes for federal, state, and local income taxes and Social Security tax from your employees' wages. Financial success or profit occurs when your salon's income is greater than its operating expense. When operating expenses exceed a salon's income, your salon is operating at a loss. Remember, income minus expenses equals profit. Refer to your textbook for more information on taxes and expense and income. To deliver a consistently high level of service, every salon should have a professional philosophy or standard of ethics found in the salon's Policies and Procedures Handbook. It details what the salon expects of employees and what each employee can expect of the salon. New employees must meet your standards of honesty and professionalism. This might mean several interviews. You'll need proof of their citizenship, a valid Social Security card, driver's license, or birth certificate. You'll also have to complete an I-9 form that will be put into the employee's file. There are 3 ways to pay your employees: a commission structure, a salary structure, and a salary plus commission structure. Refer to your textbook for more information on compensation. Whether answering the phone or greeting clients, your receptionist is most likely the first contact your clients will experience in your salon. A poor receptionist can ruin a salon's operation. A good receptionist promotes goodwill, handles complaints, schedules appointments, informs stylists when their clients arrive, promotes retail products, takes payments, and works with stylists to keep appointments on schedule.